Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 7474, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows. The meaning of angel number 7474, the spiritual significance. What does it mean for love? What does 7474 mean for twin flames? What does it mean for manifestation? How does 7474 affect finances? What does it mean for former relationships? How does 7474 guide your work life? What are the strengths? What are the weaknesses? And lastly, a summary. What's the meaning of angel number 7474? Angel number 7474 carries the message of balance between discipline and spiritual growth. The repeated sevens emphasize introspection, divine connection, and the search for truth, while the fours represent practicality, hard work, and building strong foundations. Together, they suggest that you're being guided to pursue your spiritual path with grounded action. It's a sign of divine support as you work toward long-term goals, urging you to stay focused, maintain integrity, and trust the process. This number encourages you to harmonize your inner wisdom with structured effort for meaningful progress in both personal and professional areas of life. What's the symbolism of angel number 7474? Angel number 7474 symbolizes the blending of spiritual insight, 7, with earthly responsibility, 4. It speaks of a life path where deep inner awareness must be translated into practical, real-world steps. The repetition of each number amplifies its energy. 7 symbolizes introspection, mysticism, and divine wisdom. 4 reflects stability, order, and dedication. This combination represents a sacred duty, balancing the soul's quest with the discipline needed to bring spiritual visions to life. It may also signify that your angels are helping remove distractions and obstacles, guiding you to align your intentions with purpose and patiently build something lasting and meaningful. What is the angel number 7474 spiritual significance? Spiritually, 7474 is a call to deepen your connection with the divine while maintaining a disciplined and grounded approach to growth. The number 7 highlights intuition, sacred knowledge, and solitude, encouraging practices like meditation or study. The number 4 emphasizes structure and persistence in your spiritual journey. Together, they remind you that spiritual growth isn't just about enlightenment, it also requires commitment, responsibility, and integrity. Seeing 7474 is a confirmation that your spiritual efforts are supported by the universe, and that consistency in your inner work will lead to clarity, strength, and alignment with your higher purpose. What does the angel number 7474 mean for love? In love, angel number 7474 represents emotional stability, loyalty, and soulful connection. The presence of 7 invites depth, reflection, and spiritual compatibility, while 4 promotes trust, commitment, and long-term thinking. Together, they signal a need for relationships built on strong moral foundations and shared spiritual goals. If you're in a relationship, this number encourages honest conversations and growth as a couple through challenges. If single, it's a reminder to seek partners who align with your values and higher vision. 7474 is a sign that love should be both deeply fulfilling and practically grounded in mutual respect and responsibility. What does angel number 7474 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, 7474 emphasizes spiritual evolution and the importance of timing, patience, and structure. The number 7 reflects the soul-level journey twin flames often undertake, while the 4s highlight the need for stability and groundwork before union. This number suggests both individuals must do the inner work and build personal foundations before reuniting or reaching harmony. It also encourages grounding the connection in truth and mutual support. If you're currently in separation, this number implies that healing and growth are taking place. Divine timing is at work, and the bond will flourish when both souls are balanced and prepared. What does angel number 7474 for manifestation? Angel number 7474 supports manifestation through disciplined focus and spiritual alignment. The 7 energy helps you tap into your intuition and higher vision, while the 4 energy grounds those ideas into action. You're being reminded that dreams manifest through both faith and effort. 7474 encourages you to stay aligned with your soul's purpose, be clear about your intentions, and put consistent energy toward them. This number reassures you that your manifestations will succeed if they trust in divine timing, remain patient, and let your inspired thoughts guide the concrete steps you take daily. How does angel number 7474 affect finances? Financially, angel number 7474 suggests that long-term stability is possible through smart planning, hard work, and spiritual awareness. The 4 energy urges practical budgeting, building savings, and making responsible choices. The 7 reminds you to listen to your intuition and remain aligned with your purpose, especially when making financial decisions. This number indicates that you are supported by the universe in building wealth, especially if your financial goals reflect your spiritual or ethical values. Success will come gradually, through wise choices and persistence. It's a good time to create structure around money and focus on sustainable, meaningful financial growth. What does angel number 7474 mean for former relationships? Angel number 7474 suggests that past relationships offered important spiritual and personal lessons that helped shape your character. The number 7 points to self-reflection, healing, and gaining wisdom from emotional experiences, while the 4 encourages closure through understanding, forgiveness, and emotional responsibility. This number urges you to assess what patterns may need to be broken, and to use those lessons to build healthier future connections. It signals emotional maturity, reminding you not to dwell in regret, but to learn, grow, and move forward with a deeper awareness of your needs and boundaries in relationship. How does angel number 7474 guide your work life? In your career, 7474 guides you to combine spiritual insight with disciplined work. The number 7 promotes thoughtful decision-making, purpose-driven goals, and alignment with your true calling. The 4 reinforces the importance of structure, consistency, and accountability. This number is often seen by those building something meaningful, be it a career, business, or personal brand. It encourages you to trust your vision, but also to stay focused, organized, and prepared to do the work required. Your angels may be signaling that success is near if you continue to blend intuition with strategy. Purposeful, steady progress will yield lasting professional rewards. What are the strengths of angel number 7474? Angel number 7474's strengths lie in its blend of intuition. People influenced by this number are often deeply reflective, spiritually attuned, and committed to long-term goals. They possess a strong inner compass and have the ability to remain grounded while pursuing higher knowledge or purpose. Their methodical nature allows them to build solid foundations in work, relationships, and personal development. 7474 brings a quiet strength, wisdom, and patience that helps navigate life's challenges with grace. The number empowers individuals to stay focused and spiritually connected while making practical, informed decisions that lead to lasting success. What are the weaknesses of angel number 7474? The weaknesses of angel number 7474 stem from its intense focus on perfection, structure, and introspection. The 7 energy can lead to overthinking, isolation, or emotional withdrawal, while the 4 energy may cause rigidity, fear of change, or workaholic tendencies. Individuals connected to this number may struggle to adapt to new situations or take creative risks. They can become too cautious, overly critical, or disconnected from their emotions in favor of logic and order. This number warns against becoming closed off, overly serious, or stuck in routines. Balance is needed, blending trust in divine flow with structured effort and openness.